Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use 2002 to 2006 Dodge Caravan, minivan, town and country. This is the seat. How we can adapt this to an 18-wheeler. 18-wheeler seats are very expensive, and usually the base that holds the seat is in good shape. Just the seat it goes bad. They get tears, they break, the foam is not good anymore. So this seat I picked it up at the junkyard for $30. What you guys need to do is modify your base. The base goes up to right here. What I did is I welded this stock, made the holes to hold the seat right there. That's the only thing you need to do, because the seat is narrower, the base is narrower than the seat, and so you just need to make it wider. I welded this part, which is where the seat belt attaches. It has another bracket that goes bolted to the base, but what I did is I cut those brackets, welded it here, so we can attach the seat belts for the seat. This is where the air comes in, for the airbag right there, and that's it. That's all the modifications you have to do to the base, so you can put that seat, really good looking seat, for $30 from the junkyard. Just bolt it there and you have a new seat. Alright, this is how the seat attaches to the base. You can see the bolts for the original seat used to be here. The seats are wider, so now the bolts are here. Stock is 3/16, so very strong. You're gonna have no problem. Here you have 3 bolts on this side, and you can see also the bolts for the original seat go right here. So have pretty good welds right there, so that stock is not going anywhere. All right, couple hours of work, and this is what you have. The base is right there. The base was good all the time. The seat, you see it for $30 from the junkyard. It has the armrest. It has a 18-wheeler seatbelt buckle right there. And on each side it has the reclining. The only thing we need to adapt is the switch to operate the airbag on the base, so you can go up and down, and that's pretty much it. $30 and a little bit of work versus $600 to $1,000 that they charge you at the dealer for a seat. And the good thing is, once you do the work to the base, if this seat goes bad, you just go to the junkyard, get another one, install it really quick. So this one goes bad, just get another one, and you can have matching seats instead of having a new one on one side and then the old one on the other side. You can do the same to the other side, and you can have matching seats. It's gonna look pretty good. I'll post a video once I install it into the 18-wheeler, let you guys see it. Please subscribe to the channel, and have any questions or comments, let me know.